All right, so today we're doing similar polygons day 3, and we're going to add in the area. So we're going to do 2 examples. One, we're going to find the missing area on one of the triangles. The other one, we're going to find a missing side. Okay. So this one, it says find the area of triangle DEF. So basically, I'm missing this area. Okay. So we're going to set it up like we set up a normal proportion. I'm going to do the area, triangle ABC. Okay, that's this triangle on the left, area of triangle ABC, over the area of this triangle. Okay, because always do left to right. So this could be area. And what's the name of this triangle that they told us? What do they call that one? DEF. Okay. Now I'm going to set it equal to, and I'm going to find side lengths that we know. So on this left triangle, what side length do we know a number on? AB. Which one matches up with AB, like when you look at the similarity statement? DE. It's going to be AB over DE. Okay. So nothing's different up to this point, right? Looks the same as setting up any other proportion. Now, here's the kicker with areas. Whatever your sides are, so this is my side lengths, put them in parentheses. We have to square them. That's the only thing different when you do area versus when you do a normal one. Okay, is you have to square it. So, probably want to take note of that, like with area, square the sides. All right, next we're just going to plug it in. What's the area of ABC? 36. Area of DEF? Do we know that one? So what are we going to put for it? If we don't know it, we write a X. All right, it's equal to parentheses. Angel, what's the length of AB? 10. Jordan, what's the length of DE? 5. And we square them. Okay. All right. So now, it's going to work our way down this. 36 over X. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to square both of them. So it's going to be 10 squared over 5 squared. Okay. When there's a squared outside the parentheses, it's going to both of those numbers. 36 over X. Hernan, what's 10 squared? 100. Roman, what's 5 squared? 25. Remember, guys, that's just 10 squared is 10 times 10. 5 squared is 5 times 5. And you have a squared button on your calculator. Cross multiply. 36 times 25 is how much? 900. Equals 100x. In class, what's the last step here? Divide. And x equals what? 9. So that's the area of triangle DEF equals 9. Right, so I'm going to do the area, GHJK, over the area of the one on the right, which is LMNP. What's the side on the top right, Noah, that I'm going to put? Like, what am I going to put at the top over here, the side name? Just to, like, that way you can put A and then parentheses, all that. That way it just, when you're naming it, it's saying the area of that. Because if I, instead of having to write out area of, that's the way you can write it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to get it from the Noah from the left one. Because remember, our left one's on top. There you go. KJ. Over. Lucas, which one am I going to have on the bottom right?
PN.
PN. Okay. Now let's plug them in. Mandy, the area of GHJK is how much? 84. Mateo, the area of LMNP? 756. Luis, KJ? 7. And Angie, PN? X. Okay. All right, now what is the one thing I have to do to the sides here, class? Yeah, square. I forgot to put it here. Squared. So we got to square these. So it's 84 over 756 equals 7 squared over x squared. So on the left, 84 over 756. Nothing we do there yet. What's 7 squared, class? 49 over x squared. Cross multiply. 84 times x squared, what does that end up giving me? How do I lay that out? 84 x squared. Yeah, we just put it right next to the 84, just like a normal net x. And then 756 times 49, what did y'all get for that one? Okay. So 37,044. All right, what's the next step? We're going to divide by the 84. And that gives me x squared is equal to, so 441. Now, does anybody know that last step I got to take here, because x is not by itself, it's got that squared on it. How do I get, what's the opposite of squaring something? Not dividing. Nope. So it's square roots. So what I need to do is I need to square root the x squared. Square root 441. And what is x equal? 21. And that's it.